How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individuals and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides the tools and the resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into temu.com. As you can see, this is the website and we have here a various products. You can select your favorite product if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do, just scrolling down like that and click over in affiliate and influencer earn commission. This is the home page. We can get started, but before we have to scroll down to know some information about this website. We have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. You can just join, share and earn. Also there's here some information that you needed and actually some questions. We have here what's the Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run any referral or affiliate programs? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw the commission rewards? All you have to do is click over here to get your answers. Here we have the answers. Also, each question we have answers. Then we can sign up like that. You can just click over join now. You can write your email or phone number and you sign up, or using Google, Facebook, App Store or other options if you wanna. After your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all you will get your commission whatever they buy, but they will get also $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share and earn. Let's know some ways to earn money on Temu. So Temu, we have here selling physical products, list and sell items such as handmade, crafts, apparel, electronics or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Second one we have here, offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses or digital art. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping costs and instant delivery. The third one we have providing services. Offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Create detailed service lessons with clear pricing and delivery times. We have also affiliate marketing. Promote other sellers' products and earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. Utilize social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. We have finally drop shipping. Set up a drop shipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale to supplier, ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Here we have some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. The first one we have selling physical products. Let's give an example like jewelry. As you can see here, for jewelry we have products first, handcraft, bracelets, necklace and earring. For description we have detailed descriptions highlighting materials, craftsmanship and unique design. For image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material costs, time invested, and market market demand. The second one, we have offering digital products. The example is online courses, as you can see here. Online courses. For products, we have courses on graphic design, coding, or personal development. For description, we have course syllabus, learning objectives, and benefits for student. Delivery, we have digital downloads or access through a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscription-based access to course materials. The third one, we have providing service. Example, we have freelance writing. For service, we have content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For description, clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word counts, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis, with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The first one, we have affiliate marketing. The example is Teach Gadgets. For products, we have promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. For method, we have share affiliate links on a Teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links. For content, we have write reviews, unboxings, or how to get to guide to attract potential buyers. The last one, we have drop shipping. Example, let's give in home decor items. For product, we have trendy home decor items like wall art, rugs, or lighting. For supplier, we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. For storefront, we have create abandoned online store showcasing the products. For marketing, we have used social media ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. The last one, we have customer service. Handled customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So, making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online businesses. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's features, we can build a successful venture. Whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So this is it for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.